Welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Newellme Happy Cleanser. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a short review of the Newellme Happy Cleaner Watermelon Berry. So this one is a powder supplement marketed as a superfoods mixed with probiotics, prebiotics, organic fiber, and fruit or vegetable extracts just like strawberry, blueberry, and such as these pictures right here. So it is designed to support your gut health, reduce your bloating, aid digestion, and help with weight management. On the positive side, it appears to have a decent consumer feedback for taste and convenience. People like the flavors, portability, it has a 14 sachets per box, and that it dissolves well with mild effects on bloating for some users. On the other hand, there are red flags and gaps. Many of the stronger health claims, like weight loss, detox, gut reset, are not well sustained by clinical trials. User feedback is inconsistent. Some report discomfort or no effect, and the site or seller has trust issues in a few reviews, like relatively new domain and limited verified reviews. Also, regulatory bodies typically do not require pre-market proof of efficacy for supplements, so claims should be treated with caution. So the verdict for this is that it looks more like a legitimate supplement product with some mild benefits rather than a full scam, but it's definitely not a magic cure. If you try it, set your realistic expectation, verify the ingredients, and start with a smaller supply and monitor how your body responds.